Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by installing IPython SQL and the appropriate driver for your database. This lets Jupyter speak SQL directly. Once done, make sure you have connection details: host, port, user, password, and database. Next, load the extension with %load extSQL and try a simple in-memory or local SQLite connection first so you verify the kernel and extension work. This step avoids surprises later and confirms your environment is ready for real queries and data exploration. You now build a proper connection string, dialect plus driver, credentials, and database, because the interpreter needs exact syntax to connect. Then run quick tests. Use %SQL for one-line selects and %SQL for multi-line scripts, which keeps code readable. When you want to manipulate results in Python, load query output into pandas with result, data frame, or use. Fetch all to get tuples. This lets you blend SQL efficiency with Python analysis. Make sure to parameterize queries to avoid injection issues as you go. You finish by closing any open connections and moving credentials into environment variables or a secrets manager so code is safe to share. If a query fails, use try-except blocks and enable SQL echo or verbose logging to see the exact statement and error. That reveals mismatched types, wrong URIs, or driver problems. One key troubleshooting tip: if the notebook can't connect, test connectivity outside Jupyter with a small script or CLI client to isolate network versus code issues before changing queries.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.